going to understand how we create reports in SAP SuccessFactor. This is the very basic one which we are going to do today. So we come to Report Center from the admin center in SuccessFactors, and then we get a dashboard like this. We can click on Create to create a new report. Once you do it, you get three options: Table, Tile, Dashboard. Now, I have already created one of the report which I want to show it to you. So this is basically for visa expiry. Here our aim is to get the list of employees under the HR manager so that the HR manager is aware on a regular basis that whose visa is going to expire. So we are going to also schedule this report so that automatically the email with the document goes to the required recipient or the HR manager. So for this comes the first page where you keep in the general info, that is visa expiry, and then you go to people. So people you can select to whom is it? Is it for the one who has logged in? So that is for the logged in user. Or if you have a specific person, you can define if it's for a specific division, department, or location. We don't have that condition for now. We have selected all of them, but if you want, you can select the few departments or divisions, whatever you want. Then comes the column part where you select what all columns are required in the report. So this is how it looks. So we select the domain basically. For this, we have selected the personal information. While creating the report, you get an option to select multi-domain, cross-domain, or any single domain. So this is single domain, which is personal information. You can select cross and multi-domain as well. So you have to select from the left side which columns you want. You can just check the boxes and it would be visible here. Okay. Now once this is done, we can sort or group by the columns. So I've sorted the column with the personal ID, the user ID basically, and group by also whatever criteria you have. Now we come to the configuration part. Here you want to show the ID level configuration, uh, value ID configuration, or show the label itself. This is how you can do it here. Next you come is the filter option. Now here comes the main part of the report, basically the logic of the report. So I have the columns. Now what I want is that column data should only come in the column when the nationality is not equal to UAE. So basically all the employees apart from the UAE nationality to be there in the list, and whose visa expiry date is less than the date which you are selecting. Now here I have selected less than 1st July, but what I can do is if I click here, I can keep it as null value or user prompted. User prompted is that when you run the report, you get an option to select the date with less than. So I have done this. I'll save it. Let me run and show it to you how it will look. Let me log in with the HR manager. You go to report center. All reports, visa expiry. Now you can click on the run button. See, you get a window like this. You can run online, run offline, download, export. Now for visa expiry, we can click on this button. We can write the free text or edit it. So let's say the date is 1st July. Then I can click generate report. It takes some time and it usually depends on the data also. Since this is a demo system, it will have less data. So now you see here that all the expiry dates which are less than 1st of July, only those employees are shown here. Also the nationality is Philippines and India and not coming under the category of UAE. So this is how you can create a report and put a filter to it. Now let's see if I want to schedule this report. So you go to view schedules. Okay. So here are the ones which are created. So this is a visa expiry one. Let me show it to you. So here in the screen in my reports, you have this three dots. Click on it and go to new schedule. Here you can add the details. Is fixed date, destination, online or FTP. I have just kept it as offline. Step 4 occurs when, so it is a recurring. I want it on a monthly basis, and the first recurrence should be from the next date, maybe tomorrow, and should continuously go on until, let's say, 2027 September 1. And then I can click on save. So this schedule was already there. Let me just rewrite the name and I'll save it. So this is how you create a schedule of the report, and then it is visible in the My Schedule section of the report center. Yeah, so here is where you find it. So I hope this today's session about reports, the basic reports, was clear to you. And in the next video, I'll come up with more advanced form of reports. Thank you.